beautiful. Big one. Set. Get all of those things. We come back to the channel again, guys. Let's see the prices also. This is Karaja. I love Karaja. Karaja is so classy. This is it. You can buy like this. So guys, what do you think about the kitchen equipment? Oh, this one. Wow. So beautiful. You see the price? But safe, they give you everything. Set for everything. What you see about here. Perfect. I love this plate. Only they're selling set. You cannot buy one by one. Oh, I want to put 500. What's happening in my camera? Not working. Okay. Get out of this car. How much? This is the price of this cup. 300 before. 300? No. 190? Is this person? It's different. Also said 2,499. They give you this cup, 6, they give you this, 6, they give you this, they give you this. So, he said actually, if you buy one by one, cannot find here. Okay, you can find it, but not these ones. Oh, I love this glass also. $379. Yeah, one glass. You remember $1 is 40 Turkish lira. That's where. How much in your home country? Is it more expensive? Is it more cheap? How is it when you compare your homeland? But the shop smell is nice. I love her smelling. This flavor smells perfect. I don't know which ones. This is the teapot. Turkish teapot. Yeah, this one. See?
Onlarda da mı verilme verdiği?
Yok, onlarda şu an çaydanlık aldığımız zaman onun yanında hediye olarak veriyor.
Bir ona benziyor.
This is a You see, chicken mixer. Hey, my pots. Let me see my pots. Exactly my pots. 5,490. Oh, yeah. Of course, really cool. I love it. And it's mine. I have it. It's 5,499. 5,500 actually. So you get this 4 pots. I also have I bought here before, and you get this together also. Oh, come on there. This is the price. And before we get a gift like this. It's on that price. Oh. It's too heavy, this one. It's like a 10 kilogram. I love this one. How much? Probably said also cannot buy one by one. Wow, so classy. I love it. So beautiful. Ooh, look at this one. How? No. This is something else. Amazing. It's so amazing. So let me go another part of other things. This shop is big actually. As you can see, teapot. Washable dog. Huh. Fly? Oh. Wow. Look at this. So guys, I think my camera is getting down. It's closing. So guys, let me in the comment what you need to know about it. I'm showing you everything about electronics, about clothes, about everything you need to know. I will show you. And depending what you need to also to know you what you ask me. Let me know in the comment, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And enjoy everything I'm showing you. And let me know in the comment how is Turkey prices. Is it crazy expensive? Is it better when you compare in your homeland? How is it, guys? Just let me know. So vacuum also. This is a cleaning machine. Vacuum. Look at the price. Look at the price. This is robot one. So this one you put in home. It's cleaning. You don't need to touch it. You just send it home. Okay, say okay, clean. It's robot. So it's gonna clean. So look at the price also, of course. 18,000. So this one's also the one. And one, let's see, 5,000. So this is vacuum. I love spoons like this. It's so beautiful. Let me show you just one spoon how much. The price, guys. One spoon. Big one, small one, the smallest one. Okay, this is it. Set. All of them sets. This is what? This is c'est pas possible. Probably all of these things, pots, plates, cup, forks, yes. All of this. So my camera is really maybe tired because I see. Wow. 1,790. Get all of those things, all of those knives together with this. It's very nice for kitchen decoration actually. It is so nice wood. So guys, let me know in the comments again, what do you think about Turkey prices things? What do you think, guys? Actually, I couldn't find what I was looking for. This is also perfumes for home perfume. Smelling your home. Put these things. Nice smelling. So guys, around. This is the price, 1,000. It's 2,000. So guys, again I'm going. So I'm closing my video here, guys. Guys, please don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe if you like the video, and let me know in the comment what you need to know in the next video. Bye bye.